Today we shall discuss about types of lines. Today we shall discuss about types of lines. ठीक है. First we shall discuss about parallel lines. Parallel lines. Types of lines. First is parallel lines. Second one perpendicular lines. ठीक है. Third one is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. So these are the three types of lines. We are going to discuss about it. So these are the three types of lines we are going to discuss about. So what is first we shall discuss about parallel lines. What do you mean by parallel lines? What do you mean by parallel lines? Lines are. What do you mean by parallel lines? Who can say? Who can say what is parallel lines? Lines are parallel if they never meet each other. These are called parallel lines. है ना. ठीक है. Parallel lines never meet each other. Parallel lines never meet each other. The symbol of parallel lines we can write this type A B. This is the symbol of parallel lines. A B parallel C D. A B lines parallel C D lines. So am I clear about parallel lines? Parallel lines never meet each other or they never intersect each other. These are called parallel lines. So the symbol is AB line parallel CD line. Finished? Am I clear? So let's take another type, that is second one is perpendicular lines. Second one is perpendicular lines. ठीक है. So what is the definition of perpendicular lines? What is the definition of perpendicular lines? Who can say? हेलो बोले. Who can say perpendicular lines? A perpendicular line is a line. A perpendicular line is a line that crosses each other at 90 degree. ठीक है. What is perpendicular line? A perpendicular line is a line that crosses each other at 90 degree. So take an example. These are called perpendicular lines. So we can write the perpendicular lines in the symbol. This is the we have already discussed the symbol of parallel. This is the symbol of parallel lines. ठीक है. So this is the symbol of perpendicular. ठीक है. So we can write perpendicular lines in this type, that is AB perpendicular CD. ठीक है. Do you remember the definition of perpendicular? Am I clear? Finished? So let's start. Let's start about intersecting line. इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन्स, ठीक है। So we shall discuss about intersecting lines. Now we shall discuss about what is intersecting lines and what is the definition of intersect line. So today we shall discuss, or today we are going to discuss about intersecting line. So let us discuss what is intersecting line, what is the definition of intersecting line. Like those two have already been discussed, that is parallel lines and perpendicular line. The third one is intersecting line or the last line. So who can say what is intersecting line? Tell me, who can say what is intersecting line? What is intersecting line? Two or more lines. Two or more lines that meet a point. This is a point. The point is O. So E, F, G, H. So these are called intersecting line. So what is the definition of intersecting line? Two or more lines that meet a point. The point is O. Two or more lines that meet a point. Where is the point, or what is the point? The point is O. So two lines E, F, G, H that meets at point O or intersect at O. So these are called intersecting lines. ठीक है? These lines only one common point. O is called common point. O is called common. O is called, hello? O is called common point. Hello? So intersecting lines E, F and G, H. These calls are intersecting line. O is the point in common. ठीक है? So you have already discussed about types of line. How many types of lines? There are three types of lines. One is one is parallel lines. First one is the parallel line. Second one is the perpendicular line. Third one is the intersecting line. Parallel lines never meet. We have already discussed about it. What is parallel line? Parallel lines never meet each other. Then perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are the lines that crosses each other at 90 degree. That is called perpendicular lines. Next, the last one is intersecting line. Intersecting lines means two lines meet at a common point. These are called intersecting lines. Am I clear? ठीक है? So we have today we shall in our next class we shall discuss about the uses of these lines. ठीक है? So all these lines are very clear. Am I clear? ठीक है? So let's finish our class. Thank you.